My name is Dennis, and if you don't have a table saw, maybe you don't like using one, or you don't have the space for it, or like me, you have other machines that you want instead, then I might have an alternative for you. Now, this is not sponsored at all. It's called the Quad MFT hinge system from Benchdog, and there are alternatives to this out there. I know Free Freak Custom has a printable version of it, and I know that I think he's called Peter from 10 Minute Workshop has a version made of plywood. So you know, you don't have to pay, you can go look at those. What it does is it allows you to use your track saw or plunge saw, all after where you live, to make repeatable cuts with stocks, just like on the table saw or miter saw. I'm gonna make this video in a few. I'm probably gonna do a few videos. I'm gonna make the first one, which is actually I'm just gonna take everything apart, lay it out, show what everything is, and assemble it. And then we're gonna prepare the table. There's a few extra holes that you need to drill out. At least I had to. We're gonna do a use video and of course a conclusion. But that's gonna be it. So, without further ado, let's get started. So there's not that much reason to speak during the assembly. I'll just show it. The only thing that might just want to mention is that the Benchdogs, they shouldn't be tight. You should just put them in, have them fairly loose, and then you tighten them when they are in the holes, and that's what keeps them in place. So I'll put on some nice music and I'll see you in the end. So we are nearing the end of the first video out of a 3-part series about this Benchdog system. I hope you liked it. If you did, consider liking and subscribing. And if you have questions or anything, put them in the comments. If there's something you'd like to see. Else, have a nice day.